bamwe mu batuura omu kyanga kya Bunyoro okukira munonga abakazi bageraho kajana aha miringo ei bakubaasa kutaho okurwanisa empinduka y'obwire.
Abakazi twanguhirwa muno kutayisa engoye zahaigure gomaso okusanga okuyitira na nyoko zaara amabeere gala aheeru habukahite kuhingura ine abandi olaho omusajja okurora kuno iso kanga agenzerege habuka kuno entuyo zona zirabanga inema yesibireta etai nekooti.
And one thing that we're also helping to do within this advocacy is to raise awareness to find these solutions that are very easy to access for these women. So moving away from the big ways of accessing renewable energy and moving into how grassroots women can be able to access renewable energy in an affordable way.
Okya kuhingura ine, empinda hinduka ehingura ine, abukubatu bukutunura, embere ituyiruturu mu bwire buno. Abantu okwesanga n'okubyama bwiro bwekiro okutuya baitu kandi buli kyali kitaro.
Abantu abana bajangwa ekyoya ekirengeserize kirukiraho abantu bingi okurwara omucuucu okweyongera omu mahanda hamwe n'ibura ry'ebyokurya.
Abandi eminyanyinga omu marwaro okusanga y'abantu bakuterwa emitwe abantu barwaire omunyanyinga ekyo kyona kireserwe abo ekitutu kihingura ine.
Whether y'obwire omulinga ekuturabya tukuhura nihokiya muno enyikiano bokuba noyikiano hura noyikya oruya orukwokya ruswa kuletera ekizibu omunda.
Kitwe nk'abakazi tukurugayo ntugamba Gavumenti esemerire ehindure n'empeereza yayo omubya okutuheereza amasanyarazi okutuheereza sola ebyo biturasobora kukozesa.
Abakazi abantu begitira omu kibiina kyabwe kya Africa Women of Faith in Energy Project.
The government needs to step up because when we have, like now Uganda has a national adaptation plan for renewable energy, for just transition. That plan has to take in views of the community. That plan has to take in what works at the grassroots level.
Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.